Hello, hi, how are you? The Skype presentation, so I am making a video for it. And our project is e-library, and it is based on social reading. Like if somebody uploads a book, everybody else who is using the app can read. If the user who uploaded gives permission to everybody, and he can have friends, and we can make friends in this app. And this is my Eclipse workspace where I worked on the project, and the layouts, these are the views I created for the app. uh, for example, activity underscore authentication is the view for sign in sign up, and activity underscore book is the view for book reading. Activity underscore friends is for the friends. Activity underscore main is the main activity, that is the library part where you can view all the books with categories. Mhm. Activity underscore profile where you can see your own profile, you see your uploads, favorites, and etc. And yeah, there are so many other activities, views for different activities. Activity underscore search is for the search. You can search for books or friends in the app. These are the controllers for those views. The main activity is for the library activity, as I have said, where you can view different books for different categories. Uploads activity is for uploading a book in EPUB format. View book is the intermediate view where you can see the popularity and details for the book, and uh, read the book. Book.java is where actually you can read the book, flip over pages, etc. And there are many other, there are different fragments for these activities. Like Google fragment is for Google authentication, Facebook fragment for Facebook authentication. Email fragment is for email authentication. uh, I'm also checking for connection if there is an internet connection, because it is very important for the app to have an network connection. And I am also checking for authentication every single time, so that he doesn't view pages where which are not been authorized. And I'm talking to the backend server with HTTP URL connection, and HTTP manager is the Java class I wrote for it. And there is a logout class where I'm logging out user if he clicks logout, etc. I'm also storing locally some details about the user, which are in shared preferences, where those shared preferences are accessed throughout the app in different activities. There is also search activity where I am searching for book and also friends. If a user is in a library activity, if he types in a keyword to search, it searches through books. And if he is in friends activity or profile activity, and when he types in a keyword, it searches for friends. And if he wants to make a friend, he can type his name or email address, and he can search for that person, and he can add that person as his friend. And the person can respond, the other person can respond to the friend request, and they can be friends or not. And there are also modals where I'm storing different constants for the app. There are also different models for library for user, for friend, for profile, and etc. And also there are general constants for the app which are stored in app preferences. And also I pushed the whole project to the Git, which is in KTV 205. And also I made 29 commits to it, and I started working on the project from December 3rd to December 29th. That is my final commit. And coming to the app, I will show you the app first on the emulator. In emulator, as I can't use my Google or Facebook account, I am just using my email address for now. Later I will show authentication using Gmail and Facebook with my phone. I made a separate video for it, and this is the library activity which I am talking about. There are different categories, and there are books in those categories, and you can scroll down the categories, and you can swipe left for different books if the books are more than 3 in each category. And you can search for book, and you can click on that book, and you go to the intermediate activity where you can see details for that activity, like the popularity, and based on it you can read the book. And we wanted to implement reviews, but we can't do it now, but in future we might do reviews in that intermediate activity. And you can flip through the pages and read the content of the book. As the internet connection here is slow, there's a little bit lag, but generally it's fast. You can add this book to your favorites by clicking on the top button, where I will be clicking it in a minute. Yeah, remove from favorites. Yeah, you can go back. You can go back to the library activity now, and there are different parts, like that Krishna is the profile, and you can see your uploads, your favorites, and private. If you don't have any uploads, I have given a button for upload activity, and from here you can select a EPUB book and you can submit it, and you have uploads activity there, library activity, and friends activity, where you can see your friends. These are all the friends I'm having, and if you click on one of them, it will go to their profile, and there you can see their uploads and their favorites. And you can go to any book and read that book. You can search through friends by typing in the keyword, and you can go to their profile. You can remove friend if you want. You can go to the book. You can search from the profile, and it will search through the people, and it will display all the results for Krishna. And you can go to library. Yep. And also you can reload the results, because the first time when I'm loading, I'm saving it in the app, all the books and details, so that I don't have to hit the server every time. So when you reload it, you can get the new books if somebody uploaded in the meantime. And you can log out, and you can sign in again. this is the sign up part where I'm just asking their name, email and password, and they can sign up using Gmail and Facebook too. There is a separate video where I am using my phone, and I will show you logging in with Gmail and signing up with Gmail, as I can't show them in the emulator. You can search through books, as I said. I made the search available in every activity on the top bar, so it is easy for search. You can read a book.